Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introducing the next frontier in desktop computing performance, DDR5 RAM. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, DDR5 memory modules have emerged as the latest standard, promising faster data transfer rates, improved efficiency, and enhanced multitasking capabilities. In the world of desktop computing, selecting the right DDR5 RAM is crucial for unlocking the full potential of your system. To guide you through the plethora of options available, we present the top 5 best desktop DDR5 RAM modules currently dominating the market. Whether you're a gamer pushing the limits of your rig or a content creator demanding seamless multitasking, these cutting-edge RAM modules are poised to redefine your computing experience. Join us as we explore the elite contenders in the DDR5 arena, each offering a unique blend of speed, capacity, and reliability to elevate your desktop performance to unprecedented heights. Number 5. Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 32GB 2x 16GB 6000 MHz 5600 MHz 6200 MHz white RAM. The memory frequencies of 6000 MHz, 5600 MHz, and 6200 MHz offer an outstanding level of performance. Whether you're gaming, video editing, or running resource-intensive applications, the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 RAM ensures smooth multitasking and responsiveness. The speed variations provide flexibility, allowing users to optimize performance based on their specific needs. The RGB lighting on this RAM module is nothing short of mesmerizing. The Corsair Vengeance RGB adds a touch of elegance to my desktop setup with its customizable lighting effects. The vibrant colors and dynamic patterns can be synchronized with other Corsair RGB components, creating a harmonious visual experience. The lighting is not just for show, it also indicates the RAM's activity, providing a functional element to the aesthetics. Number 4. ADATA XPG DDR5 RAM Lancer Blade RGB White Black 16GB 32GB 6000 MHz 6400 MHz. The DDR5 technology brings a remarkable boost in performance compared to its predecessor, DDR4. The 16GB and 32GB capacities ensure that even the most demanding applications and multitasking scenarios run smoothly. The operating frequencies of 6000 MHz and 6400 MHz provide blazing fast speeds, contributing to a noticeable improvement in overall system responsiveness. The CL/CAUS latency values of 36 at 6000 MHz and 32 to 39 at 6400 MHz reflect the RAM's efficiency in handling data, ensuring optimal performance without compromising stability. The lower CL values at higher frequencies are particularly impressive, showcasing the advanced engineering behind this RAM. Number 3. G.Skill Trident Z5 Neo RGB Series 32GB 2x 16GB DDR5 6000 MHz RAM. The first thing that caught my eye was the stunning RGB lighting. The Trident Z5 Neo doesn't just provide top-notch performance, it also adds a touch of flair to my desktop setup. The RGB lighting is customizable through G.Skill software, allowing me to sync it with other RGB components in my system. The transitions and effects are smooth, adding a dynamic visual appeal to my gaming and work sessions. In terms of performance, the 6000 MHz memory frequency is exceptional. My system now runs applications and games seamlessly, and I've noticed a significant improvement in multitasking capabilities. The DDR5 technology, coupled with a whopping 32GB capacity, ensures that my system can handle resource-intensive tasks with ease. Number 2. Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 RGB 8GB 16GB 32GB 4850 250 600 6000 MHz RAM. With a range of options from 4800 MHz to an impressive 6000 MHz, the Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 delivers top-notch performance for demanding tasks and high-performance gaming. The memory speed is notably fast, providing a noticeable boost to system responsiveness and overall speed. Whether you're running resource-intensive applications or engaging in intense gaming sessions, this RAM handles it all with ease. The availability of 8GB, 16GB, and 32GB variants ensures that there's a suitable option for every user, catering to both casual users and those who require hefty memory for professional applications or gaming. I opted for the 16GB variant, and it has proven to be more than sufficient for my multitasking needs. Number 1. Corsair Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5 RAM 32GB 2x 16GB 6200 MHz 5600 MHz 6000 MHz white RAM. The memory frequencies of 5600 MHz, 6000 MHz, and 6200 MHz deliver unparalleled speed and responsiveness. Whether I'm gaming, video editing, or running multiple applications simultaneously, this RAM handles everything with ease. The 32GB capacity 2x 16GB ensures smooth multitasking and the ability to handle demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. The DDR5 technology brings a significant boost in data transfer rates, contributing to an overall faster and more efficient system. Corsair is known for its high-quality components, and the Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5 RAM is no exception. The build quality is top-notch, and the modules feel robust and durable. The attention to detail, from the precision-cut cooling fins to the well-crafted PCB, reflects the brand's commitment to excellence. Thanks for watching this video.